Hi everybody and welcome to the instruction page. So I'm just going to read the instructions and I'll show you how to navigate this web quest. So it says using the bar at the top of the screen, start from 1 and go through each tab until you complete each module. Each tab includes different activities and information regarding water safety. So an example would be you're going to start at Lifeguards, you're going to click on it, and you're going to open the Lifeguard page. And at the top of each page, it's going to have vocabulary, and you can read each of these. And now, if you have a problem or difficulty reading some of the stuff that I have posted, you can always grab an adult, you can always contact me, or maybe even an older sibling would be able to help you. And some of these activities are really fun, so you may be able to have fun with an older sibling or friend. And we explain what a lifeguard is, and we actually have some lifeguards that will be working with us, Samantha and Victoria, and there's a little interview with them so you can read all this. Now at the bottom, you're going to find most of the fun resources. So make sure you read all the stuff at the top of the page, and as you go down, you're going to get little videos, you're going to learn more about life-saving devices, and here's some drills that lifeguards do, and then there will be an activity, which I don't want to expose to you. So I want you to go through and do this all by yourself. And like I said, you can go, after you're done with lifeguards, you're going to go to pool safety, and then ice safety, and you're going to just go 1 through, I believe there's 8 or 9 modules, okay? And they should all be pretty fun. Ice safety is really fun, and here's our lifeguard, Samantha, all bundled up. So you're going to learn about frozen bodies of water and some really helpful tips. And again, there's going to be a fun activity. And I wanted to show you, so there are links in here not only to videos, but to Padlet. So we're going to be using Padlet a lot throughout our web quest. And you're just going to click on the link and you're going to open up, I believe there's 3 or 4 different Padlets that you'll be working with. And when you open it, it's going to explain what you have to do. So use this Padlet along with the Water Safety Web Quest by Miss Arnold. And the instructions are also included in the web quest. And so like, for example, this one, it says, what is one reason someone should wear a life vest? So you'll click the arrow and you can write your name up here. And then you could write your answer. And you should restate one reason someone should wear a life vest is because it can save their life. This is because, and you're all going to be able to fill it in. So don't worry if somebody has already posted, you can make your own post underneath, okay? And like I said, there's a bunch of different videos, so you can click on them, you can watch them, and learn more about everything that's discussed in each module. And like I said, there's some really fun activities, so if you don't want to do them alone, you could always grab an adult, a friend, a sibling, and you can have them work with you. And remember, if you have any questions, you can always email me. My email is in the first module that says home, and it's all the way at the bottom, right? Oh, hold on. Right at the bottom here. Okay, have fun.